As my oldest daughter Ellie started going to school, things got a little bit more complicated in the mornings. Here's a picture of a typical morning in our house around breakfast time as one of us, my wife or I, made some food, and then a certain girl didn't like it, and then the other girl wanted something else, and then things deteriorated, and then we tried to push them to hurry up for get ready for school, and things just got worse and worse. Um, and we finally sat down one evening and had a talk about it. And Ellie was actually the one that came up with this idea. My 6-year-old, she decided that the evening before, because a lot of our tensions were centered around the breakfast selection itself and finding something that everyone wanted. So she made this little chart. I can't remember what everything is here. I think these are eggs, it's pancakes and bacon maybe. Um, not, not sure. I think this was oatmeal. But then she asked each one of us what we would want the next day, what kind of food we would be happy with. And then we saw using this data chart here that oatmeal seemed to be the thing. And the next morning we had oatmeal. Everything went really smoothly. It was a wonderful morning, and that really affected my entire day. Those stressful mornings would get my day off on a wrong foot, and I think the same for my wife and really our daughters too. So the creation of this chart really helped resolve thing, and for a while we looked at it every evening, and then we kind of settled into a schedule that was mutually beneficial. This is Ellie, the designer of the chart here. But the whole point of this real quick story is that it doesn't have to be a complicated use of stats to collect data and analyze them in a way that just improves your quality of life. There are many complicated ways of looking at stats, and those can be useful also. But even very, very basic uses of stats can directly improve the quality of your everyday life.